Welcome to the How to Marvin video series. In this video, I will walk you through the most important hotkeys and shortcuts. Marvin offers a wide range of shortcuts and hotkeys for reaching tools and performing actions on the canvas to support quick drawing and accessibility. When hovering a tool or a button, his tooltip will appear, revealing its shortcut. Naturally, Marvin provides basic commands such as copy, paste, cut, deleting content from the canvas, or undo, redo, and many more. Let's see the bonds where familiar hotkeys will help you out, like 1 for single bond, 2 for double bond, and 3 for triple bond. Most of the other bond types also have their own shortcuts. In addition, you may find hotkeys for frequently used templates. Let's place some new bonds on the canvas and overwrite some others. Chemical elements can be either taken into hand or placed on the canvas by typing their label. What about changing a few carbon atoms to nitrogen and these fluorine atoms to chlorine? Chemical calculations and services can be used with shortcuts, activating calculations, cleaning structures, switching between aromatic and calculate representations, displaying CIP stereo descriptors, and revealing implicit hydrogen atoms. Let's try to aromatize this structure, followed by activating calculations. Let's see a few tricks that will make drawing more convenient. Single bonds 1 hotkey can be used to build chains, and 0 can be used to create rings. The canvas can be dragged by mouse when space is held down. Reactions can be cleaned up by using the Ctrl-Shift-X shortcut. Ctrl-B, Ctrl-I, and Ctrl-U can be used for styling text content. And finally, let's fit the view to include the content of the drawing area by pressing Ctrl-1. For more information, check out the product documentation that provides a detailed list of hotkeys and shortcuts. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about Marvin, click the link below and enjoy more of our content.